Okay, I'm on the terminal now. So I have the data available on my system. So if I do an ls, I'll see them there. And these are the files that I'm going to use. The data is available on the European Nucleotide Archive database. So this is a page. I'll leave the link to this page in the description box. So when you are here, just scroll down and then you see the data here. So we have these files here. So this is an E. coli sequence data. Okay, so these are paired end rates. So we are going to use this and then this. Okay, it's for the same isolate, so the same organism. So we are going to download both. So make sure you get these two files on your PC. Okay, so you can click to download, or you can also use the download link and then just download on the terminal. So do that. I already have mine downloaded, so I'll move to the terminal and then we'll start the exercise. So join me on the terminal. So we are going to do this. We are going to run FastQC using the graphical interface. So to get the FastQC running, you can just type FastQC. Now we have configured our system. So FastQC, and then this will open the graphical user interface for us. So if you are here, what you have to do is to just come to File and then go to Open. And then you can locate the file that you want to run the analysis on. So you can click and select one, or you can even select both. Okay, so depending on what you want, you can choose one or you can choose all of them. That one is up to you, but let's just choose both. So I click on one and then I also use the shift or the control button to highlight the other one. So let's open both. So when you open both, FastQC will start the analysis on both of them and then it will give you the report. So currently the read 1 is being loaded. Okay, once it's done, read 2 will also be loaded and the analysis will be done. So, and you also have the progress being indicated, okay, in percentage. So we have this one also running. So read 1 analysis has been done, and then read 2 is currently being processed. So we can have all of them here.